What if science went too far? What would happen if we combined the DNA of the fiercest predators on Earth? In a world where science meets imagination, new species are born. Get ready, because today we're diving into a world of creatures you've never seen before, but that could just maybe exist. First, let's get one thing straight. Hybrid animals aren't just fantasy. They're real. Think about the liger, a magnificent cross between a male lion and a female tiger, or the mule, the sturdy offspring of a male donkey and a female horse. There's even the wholphin, a rare and fascinating hybrid of a false killer whale and a bottlenose dolphin. Nature has been creating its own unique blends for millennia, proving that sometimes the lines between species can blur. These real-life examples show us that hybridization is a natural process, a testament to the incredible adaptability of life on our planet. They set the stage for a tantalizing question. If nature can do this, what could humans do with a little push from technology? Now let's step into the lab of imagination, powered by artificial intelligence. What happens when we take the most dominant creatures from the land, sea, and air and merge them? Our first creation is the ultimate aerial predator, the sky predator. Imagine the body of a Siberian tiger, rippling with muscle and cloaked in iconic orange and black stripes. Now, attach the colossal, powerful wings of a bald eagle, giving it a wingspan of over 20 feet. This isn't just a tiger that can fly, it's a creature that commands the skies and the forests below. With the eagle's incredible eyesight, it can spot prey from miles up, then dive at breathtaking speeds, using its razor-sharp talons and tiger claws to snatch its target. It would nest high in remote mountain ranges, its roar echoing through the valleys, a sound that would strike fear into every living thing. It would hunt large herbivores like deer and mountain goats, becoming the undisputed apex predator of its entire domain. The sky predator is the perfect fusion of raw power and aerial grace. Next, we plunge into the murky depths to meet the swamp hunter. This is the stuff of nightmares, a terrifying blend of a great white shark and a saltwater crocodile. Picture the torpedo-shaped body and powerful tail of a shark, allowing for swift, silent movement through water. But its head is that of a crocodile, with a bone-crushing jaw filled with rows of interlocking teeth. Its skin is a thick, armored hide, making it nearly invincible. The swamp hunter would thrive in coastal swamps and estuaries, a transitional zone where it could dominate both freshwater and saltwater environments. It could lie in ambush like a crocodile, partially submerged and waiting for prey to come to the water's edge, then explode into a frenzy of violence. Its diet would be anything it could catch, from large fish and sea turtles to wildebeest and buffalo that wander too close. This creature embodies the patient lethality of a crocodile and the relentless aggression of a shark. There would be no escape. But what about pure, unstoppable force? For that, we present the Mega Titan. This is what you get when you combine the sheer size of an African elephant with the armored defense of a white rhinoceros. Imagine a creature weighing over 20 tons, standing taller than a two-story building. It has the thick, wrinkled hide of an elephant, but its face is a fortress, adorned with the two massive horns of a rhino. Its skull is reinforced, making its charge an unstoppable battering ram. The Mega Titan would roam the savannas and open woodlands, a walking mountain of muscle and bone. It would be an herbivore, but its sheer size and defensive capabilities would mean it has no natural predators. It could topple trees with a single push to reach the most tender leaves, and use its horns to defend its territory against any challenger. This gentle giant would be the undisputed king of the terrestrial world, a living testament to the power of size and strength. Now, for a predator that relies not on brute force but on stealth and intelligence, the invisible predator. This is a mind-bending fusion of a chameleon and an octopus. It possesses the chameleon's incredible ability to change its skin color and texture, but amplified to the level of an octopus, allowing it to become virtually invisible against any background, whether it's a coral reef or a forest floor. Its body is soft and malleable like an octopus, able to squeeze through the tiniest cracks and crevices. It has 8 powerful tentacles, each lined with suction cups, allowing it to climb any surface and manipulate objects with uncanny dexterity. The invisible predator would be a master of disguise, a ghost in its environment. It could hunt by ambush, appearing out of nowhere to ensnare its prey with its tentacles. Its intelligence, inherited from the octopus, would make it a cunning and unpredictable hunter, capable of solving complex problems to get its meal. This creature is the ultimate spy of the animal kingdom. How could these creatures even be possible? The answer lies in cutting-edge science. Technologies like CRISPR gene splicing are already allowing scientists to edit DNA with incredible precision. In theory, by identifying the genes responsible for specific traits, like an eagle's wings or a chameleon's camouflage, we could one day copy and paste them into the genome of another animal. While we are a very, very long way from creating a living, breathing sky predator, the fundamental principles are being explored in labs right now. Evolution itself is a story of genetic mixing and matching over millions of years. What we're imagining is simply a hyper-accelerated version of that process, guided by human hands. But this brings us to a profound and unsettling question. Just because we can, does that mean we should? Should humans ever wield the power to create entirely new species? What are the ethical implications of playing God? Would these creatures suffer? Would they destabilize entire ecosystems, driving native species to extinction? Creating a super predator could have catastrophic, unforeseen consequences. We invite you to think about this. Where do you draw the line between scientific progress and moral responsibility? The world of hybrid animals is a fascinating intersection of science and imagination, pushing the boundaries of what we believe is possible. The creatures we've explored today are just the beginning. What do you think? Which one of these hybrid predators was your favorite? The sky predator, the swamp hunter, the mega titan, or the invisible predator? Let me know in the comments below. And what if we combine extinct animals next time? Imagine a T-Rex with the intelligence of a raptor. If you want to see that, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next dive into the impossible. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.